Can you see the board? Be online.
Yes, sir.
Adi,
Yes, sir.
are you ready? What's the topic today?
The Census of India.
We can start.
Good evening, everyone. The Census of India is the largest administrative exercise in our country, conducted every 10 years to count and understand our people. The 2011 census, India's 15th, recorded a population of over 1.21 billion or 121 crores. Uttar Pradesh emerged as the most populous state, while Sikkim was the least. The literacy rate stood at 74%, with Kerala leading at 94%. The sex ratio was 940 females for every 1,000 males, reflecting both progress and challenges in gender balance. Now, as we move towards the 2026 to 27 census, India is preparing for its first fully digital census. Field workers will use mobile apps, geotagging, and handheld devices instead of paper forms. Citizens will even have the option of online self-enumeration. This census will also include caste data for all communities, making it more comprehensive than ever before. Together, these censuses show how India evolves, not just in numbers, but in technology, inclusivity, and transparency. The census is not just a head count, it is the mirror of our nation's progress. Thank you.
Yeah, you are Adi Jagannathan, 6th standard, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
Sir, Sangamitra.
Sangamitra, ready, start.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about the population census of India. The population census of India is a massive, once-in-a-decade official survey of every person in the country. It is primarily used for allocating government funds and guiding national planning or policy decisions. Henry Walter is regarded as the father of Indian census. The population census is conducted by the Office of the Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Shri Mrityunjay Kumar Narayanan IAS is the Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India. The first population census of India was initiated in 1872 under British rule, specifically by Viceroy Lord Mayo. The last completed official 15th national census in India was held in 2011, which counted a population of 1.21 billion people, by which India stood second in the world in population besides China. The next census was to be held at 2021, but it was delayed primarily due to the COVID-19 pandemic, postponed to 2027. However, India is the world's most populous country, having surpassed China in 2023. As of early 2026, India's population is estimated at over 1.47 billion, which turns to be 17.8% of the global population. The 16th population census will take place between April 2026 and February 2027. The theme of the 2027 census of India is digital transformation. Thank you.
Thank you. You are also 6th standard. Okay. Any others? Okay. Right. And how will you read this mathematically?
1.21.
And people used to say this is 1.21. So 1.21, you are not supposed to say 1.21. So the correct way of saying is 1.21. Like, for example, if it is 1.214 or 1.71, it is not 1.71. Okay, next. Some of the definition, like what is, so you said, Adi, you said sex ratio of 6. What is the definition for sex ratio?
Sir, number of females to the number of males.
How many? You said some. You said
Sir,
the
940 females to every 100 males.
100 or what?
Sorry, 940 females to 1,000 males, sir.
So the sex ratio is defined as the number of females per 1,000 males in the population. Very good, excellent. Similarly, we have a child sex ratio also, children. Okay, right. So the census of India. The census of India is the official process of counting the population of India, collecting important information about people's age, sex, education, occupation, religion, and housing. It is one of the largest administrative exercise in the world. Or we can say that if not one of the, it is the largest administrative exercise in the world, because India is the most populated country in the world. A census is a complete count of country's population, usually conducted once in every 10 years. So in India, the census covers every person in the country, collects social, economic, and demographic state data, helps the government plan policies and welfare schemes. The history of census in India. The first census started in 1872. So that time the viceroy was Lord Mayo. But the regular census, I can say that the first complete regular census was held in 1881. But normally we count this as the second census. The first census is 1872. From 1881 onwards, every year, not every year, once in every 10 years, census is conducted. So, for example, third census is 1891 and fourth census is 1991 and so on. So, the last census completed 2011, as Adi and others said, it is the 15th census. And the next census originally planned in 2021 but delayed. Why delayed? What is the main cause?
Pandemic.
Pandemic.
Time.
COVID-19, because of that one. Okay, this is delayed. Now they are going to take the entire enumeration process from 2026 and also in 2027. Who is the conducting authority? As Sangamitra stated, it is the Office of the Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India. Usually works under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Why census is important? Because government has to plan the policies, formulate policies for the people, welfare of the people, the school, hospital, road, housing. So therefore the data is very important. So the welfare schemes, subsidies, etc. And political representation, delimitation of constituencies. So what do you mean by delimitation of constituencies? For example, in Tamil Nadu, the total number of legislative assemblies is right now is 234. So once the population increases, then we have to modify. We have to increase the number of vacancies. Similarly, for the parliamentary constituencies also, that is called delimitation of constituencies, and the reservation policy accordingly. Therefore, we are this time we are conducting the caste survey since 1931. Last time we conducted in 1931. So now we are conducting the caste survey in 2026 survey. Then economic development, employment planning, poverty analysis, resource allocation. For all these we need what? The census. What information is usually collected in the census? The population size, gender ratio, that is sex ratio, literacy rate. How many people in the population above the age of 7 able to read and write? Religion, language, occupation, housing conditions, etc. So the next census is 16th census. So originally due in 2021, now it's going to be held in 2 main phases, spread across 2026 and 27. In the phase 1, house listing and the housing census will be conducted from next month onwards. Its aim is to list all houses, residential units, assets, amenities, and household characteristics. For the first time, this phase also allowed digital self-enumeration using mobile applications. You yourself can do it. Population enumeration 2027, the complete population count and personal demographic. So what do you mean by demography? What is the definition for demography? demography. What is demography? What is psychology? What is geography? What is history?
Past things.
So studying about the past.
Study about past history. What is demography? What is psychology? Study about mind. What is demography? Study about population. Study about population is called demography. The demographic information will be collected February and March 2027. The reference date, the date to which the population figures relate to is March 1, 2027. So they will issue the total population with reference to the date, March 1, 2027. In snowbound and inaccessible regions like Ladakh and some mountainous areas like northeastern states, the count may start earlier with reference date of October 1, 2026. It takes time. Accessing is difficult there. So what is new in 2026-27? First, digital census. Enumerators will use mobile devices and apps for the first time to collect the data electronically. Caste enumeration included all over 7 decades. Detailed caste data will again be collected alongside other demographic. I said, when last time caste census conducted, I told you a year. Can anyone?
1934.
1934.
34.
No, usually census is conducted in not 1934, 32 or 33 or 37 or 35. Ends with what? Last time when conducted census.
2011, sir. 2011.
So the last time caste census conducted in 1931. See, the census will be usually conducted, not usually, very time conducted 1931, 41, 1951, 1961, 1971, 1981, 1991, 2001, 2011. Now because of COVID only, 2026 and 27. Caste enumeration is included now. So this is the difference. Why house listing, population count, snowbound areas. Why now 2 years span for enumerating census. Okay. And how about, have you written the test? Only a few persons wrote test. These are the persons wrote test. C. Saranya, Jason, Srivarshan, Adi Jagannathan, Revati Bala, P.R. Sangamitra, and Ritanya.
Sir,
Of these people, Adi Jagannathan scored 20 out of 20, and Sangamitra also scored 20 out of 20. Yes, what is the doubt
sir,
of Adi?
actually, I had there was one question asked in which universities did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar get, sir?
That's why.
In that, sir.
That's why I gave one. That's why I gave 1 mark to you. Correct?
Yes, sir. That
is
one it
Columbia.
showed wrong, but actually that's correct, sir. I searched in Google.
Right. In the explanation, it is mentioned correct. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So therefore, your mark, the Google shows your marks as 19 out of 20. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So I added 1. Same
Okay,
thing
sir.
for Sangamitra also. Okay. And that's also right test. What is wrong in writing test? Even if your score is low, no problem. Learn. The writing test is self-evaluation. That's all. Why afraid to take test? Even I shared the PDF also. If you read PDF for half an hour maximum, then you can answer the questions. Or once you attend the class, you can answer all the questions. You need not score out of 20 out of 20. Decent score. You will get definitely. Okay. So now 2 personalities today. Have you heard about this name?
Yes, sir.
Who? Charles Darwin.
Charles Darwin, sir.
Charles Darwin. As soon as you hear this name, Darwin, what
Sir,
do you
the
think?
theory that humans came from monkeys.
Huh?
Sir, the theory is that humans evolved from monkeys.
Okay. Then any famous quote? Survival of the
Fittest.
fittest. Fittest only survive. Okay. So the best known for developing the theory of evolution by natural selection. His idea changed the way we understand life on Earth. Born on 12 February 1809 in England. Studied medicine at the University of Edinburgh, but did not complete it. Later studied at the University of Cambridge, where his interest in natural history grew. Darwin joined 5-year scientific expedition aboard the ship. The name of the ship is HMS
Beagle.
Beagle. During the voyage, he studied plants, animals, fossils, geographical information around the world, especially in South America and the Galapagos Islands, where he observed that species varied slightly from island to island. These observations helped him to develop his theory of evolution. Darwin proposed that organisms produce more offspring than can survive. Individual vary in traits. Traits means what? Characteristics. Those with advantage traits survive and reproduce. Over many generations, species gradually change. This process is called natural selection. What is his famous book? In 1859, he published on the origin of species. The book is called Origin of Species. This book explained evolution and provided strong evidence for natural selection. It became one of the most influential scientific works in history. Darwin continued researching plants, worms, and human evolution. He died in 1882. He was buried in Westminster Abbey, a great honor in Britain. Usually honor for the nobles. Darwin's work revolutionized biology, changed our understanding of human origins, and influenced genetics, medicine, ecology, and anthropology. What do you mean by anthropology?
Study of human culture.
Yeah, study of human, the evolution of human, everything. What is ecology?
Sir, our environment.
Environment. Okay. Okay. Next personality, Subbaya Sivashankaran Pillai. Sivashankara Narayana Pillai, a famous mathematician, but not well known mathematician, unknown mathematician. Normally we know mathematician means we know normally Ramanujan. Subbaya Sivashankaran Pillai, 1901 to 1950, was an Indian mathematician best known for his contributors to number theory, especially in problems related to prime numbers. You all know prime numbers. What is the smallest prime number? 2. How many prime numbers are there between 1 to 10?
3.
How many prime numbers are between 1 to 10?
4.
Huh?
4, sir.
4. What are the prime numbers between 1 to 10? 2,
3,
3,
5,
5,
7.
7.
5 and 7. 2, 3, 5 and 7 prime numbers. What about 1?
Neither
Neither
prime nor
1 is neither a prime number nor a
a
composite number. What is the smallest composite number?
1.
Just now I said, just
Zero.
now you
4.
also said 1 is not a composite number.
Four.
Why you tell 1 is a
4.
composite number?
4.
The smallest composite number is what?
4.
4. How many composite numbers are there between 1 to 10? 1
4.
to 10. First 10.
Sir, including 10 it's 4.
Yes,
sir.
yes. In first 10
Four,
natural,
Including
in
10
first-
it's 5.
4, sir.
in first 10 natural numbers, how many numbers are composite numbers?
5, sir.
5. Because 1 is neither. So 4 prime numbers, therefore remaining 5 composite numbers. So what are the composite numbers? 4, 6,
8, 9,
8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay. All right. S.S. Pillai, born in 1901 in Madras Presidency, present day Tamil Nadu. He showed exceptional talent in mathematics from an young age. He completed his higher education in University of Madras. Later, he went to Harvard University for advanced research. Pillai's conjecture. Pillai is most famous for proposing in number theory. The conjecture concerns equation of the form a power x minus b power y equal to k, where a, b, x, y are positive integers greater than 1. K is a fixed positive integer. He conjectured that for any fixed positive integer k, there are only finitely many solutions to this equation. What do you mean by conjecture? Conjecture is a statement or idea that is believed to be true based on the evidence or pattern, but not yet been proven mathematically. Once it is proven mathematically, then it becomes a theorem or a formula. So till then, it is called only conjecture. Ramanujan also gave many conjectures. This problem is connected to deep areas of mathematics involving exponential and Diophantine equations and distribution of perfect powers and prime number theory, etc. Okay. Even today, the conjecture remains an important topic for advanced mathematical research. Pillai worked as a professor at the University of Calcutta. He earned international recognition for his work in analytic and algebraic number theory. He published several research papers in reputed journals. In 1950, while traveling to the United States to attend a mathematical conference at Princeton University, he died in an air crash. He was invited by Albert Einstein also. So both work together. Okay. Next, some of the irregular past tense verbs. Irregular past tense verbs. What is the past tense of the verb be?
Bean.
Hmm?
Bean.
Type your answer in the chat box. The past tense of be. What is the past tense of be? It is was only. Past tense of the verb be is was. Next, what is the past tense of become?
Became.
Became. Become. Became. What is the past tense of the word begin? Huh?
Began.
Began or began?
Began.
Began. What is the past tense of the word bite?
Bite.
Bit.
B-I-T. B-I-T. What is the past tense of the verb blow?
Blue.
Blew away, blown away. What is the past tense of the word break?
Broke.
Broke. What is the past tense of the word
Built.
built? What is the past tense of the word verb buy?
Bought.
Bought. What is the past tense of the word catch?
Caught.
Caught. What is the past tense of the word choose?
Chose.
Chose. What is the past tense of the word come?
Came.
Came. What is the past tense of the word do?
Did.
Did. Drink.
Drank.
Drank. Eat.
Ate.
Ate. Fall.
Fell.
Fell. Feed.
Fed.
Fed. Feel.
Fed.
Fell. Find.
Found.
Find. Fly.
Flew.
Flew. Okay. Next we'll see reasoning, the aptitude part, the basic mathematics part. We are supposed to find the missing digits. See, these are two additions. I am adding a 3-digit number with another 3-digit number. The answer is 915. What is the value of A and B? Okay, we'll see. What is 8 plus 7?
15, sir.
15 is 5 here. Okay, then carry over
1.
B will be 7.
1. What is 3 plus 1?
4.
4. But I am getting 1 here.
7.
Therefore, what is B? What is B must be 7. What is 7 plus 4?
11.
11. So therefore, this is,
1.
A would be 4.
therefore, what is the value of A?
Would be 4.
Therefore, A is equal to 4. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Okay. Next, try this. Type, don't tell. Type the answer. Assume that this is A and this is B. Type the value of A and type the value of B in the chat box. Yes. So this is 14. Therefore, 6 plus 8. Therefore, A must be 8. Easy. When A is equal to 8, 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Therefore, carry over 1. But here I am getting 3. Therefore, 7 plus 6 is equal to 3. Therefore, already 1 is there. Therefore, this blank space must be 5. So, therefore, A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 5. Next, find this.
Sir, which is A, which is B?
This is A, this is B. Good. So, this is 5. Already 8 is there. So, therefore, this has to be 15. Therefore, B must be equal to 7. So, 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Carry over 1. Already 6 is there. But here I am getting 0. Therefore, 6 plus 4. Therefore, A has to be 3 or 4.
3.
3.
3. A has to be 3. Then only 3 plus 4 is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, I'll get 0 here. This is subtraction. This is A, this is B. This is not addition, this is subtraction. Okay. So this is 4, I am getting 6. Therefore, which number when subtracted from 4, I am getting 6. Therefore, it should be 14. So 14 minus something is equal to 6. Therefore, this has to be 8. So when this is 14, here already a number, as we have to decrease this by 1. Because already we took one number, one that is 10 from here, this number. But if I deduct this number with 7, I should get 1. So therefore, here should be what? 4, not 4. Should be, I'm getting 1. So therefore, there has to be 8 minus 7. But already 1 is there. Therefore, 1 borrowed. So therefore, this A has to be 9. So therefore, A is 9 and B is equal to 8. So therefore, correct answer. Almost everyone answered correctly, because normally in subtraction problem, little difficult.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, is the 9A4 904, sir?
9,
Sir, 904 is the first number, sir.
994.
Yes, okay, sir.
What is second number?
578.
Deduct. You will get 316. Next, try this. This
Sir,
is
I'm
what?
getting 416.
Huh?
Sir, I'm getting 416.
Yeah, correct. 416. Anyway, the answer for A and B is 9 and 8.
Okay, sir.
What is the answer for this? This is multiplication. Okay. A, B.
Sir, B is 5.
What is the value of B? 8 is multiplied. I am getting 0. So therefore, this can be even 0 also. So this B can be 0 also. But if B is 0, so you have to consider two cases. So we'll check whether what happens if B is equal to 0. If B is equal to 0, then 8 into 0 is 0. Okay. Then if it is assumed that if it is 0, then this number is 40. And this number ends with what? 8. So therefore, this can be, even if it is 8 also, 8 into 4, 22. Even if it is 9 also, 9 into 4 is what? What is, suppose this can be 9. So verify whether it is coming or not. What is 8 into 0? 0. 9. 8, 32. 32 means 2. The remainder is 0. 9 into 4, 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. So therefore, B has to be 0. This is correct. So therefore, the answer is B is 0 and A is equal to 9. So this is by trial and error method, because we know that the value of B can be 0 or 5. First, I considered 0, but while taking B as 0, I got the correct answer. You always try to multiply two-digit number in a single step. For example, 12 into 17. How do you do in a single step? I'll teach you easy. What is 7 into 2?
128.
7 into 2.
14, sir.
14. Put 4 here. Remainder is 1.
So 204.
What is 1 into 7?
7, sir.
What is 1 into 2? 2. Add this number 9. Already 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0. Then 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. For example, next time multiplying. What is 71 into 72?
2 ones are 2.
What is 1 into 2?
2.
What is 7 into 2?
14.
14. What is 7 into 1?
7.
7. Add these numbers. 7 into 2, 14 plus 7. What is 14 plus 7? 21.
21.
Therefore, put 1 only. Remainder is 2. What is 7 into 7?
49.
49 plus 2 is what?
51.
We can do faster. We can multiply any two-digit number this way. Single step. What is the answer? This is B. Verify and tell me the answer. You can, for this type of problem, you yourself can verify once you find the digits.
Sir, A is 5, B is 0.
Hmm?
Sir, A is 5 and B is 2.
Sir, A is 5, B.
Okay. When when this is multiplied by 4, I'm getting 0. Therefore, A can be 0 or A can be 5. We'll consider whether A can be 5. If A is equal to 5, 5 into 4 is 20, remainder is 2. 5 into 4, 20, 20 plus 2, 20, then this is 10, 30, 30 plus 2, 32. Remainder is 3, 5 into 2 plus 1, 30. So therefore answer. So what is B? What is the value of B? B is 2. What is the value of A? A is equal to 5.
Sir.
Okay. Checked by multiplying. Yeah, you can verify also. Verify your answer also. So you will find this the value of A, and the first value we will find by trial and error method. So this is one of the very famous problem. I'll give you this as a homework also. I'll give you the clue also how to solve this problem. This is easier only, very easier only. Please note, none of the digit is known. This is a 4-digit number. Another is a 4-digit number. I am adding these two 4-digit number. I am getting 5-digit number. Each letter represents a different digit, all unique digits. Suppose if n is equal to 5, then other digits, other alphabets cannot be 5. No two letters can have the same digit.
Sir,
And S and M cannot be 0 because no number starts with a 0. S and M cannot be 0. Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes. What is your doubt?
Sir, if send more money means in send E is there, more E is there, can both the numbers be
Can.
the number?
Suppose if E is equal to 5, then this E is also what? 5. Then this E also 5. But other letters cannot be 5. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll start this question. Then you'll understand. You yourself can easily solve. And once you solve, you can send me the answer in Telegram or WhatsApp. Okay. First, what is the value of M? Anyone tell me? What is the value of M? I'm adding a 4-digit number and 4-digit number. I'm getting a 5-digit number. What is the value of M? Then
Mostly
M,
one only.
not mostly, M must be 1. Only 1. Mostly is different. It can be other value also. It can't be other value. It is only 1. M must be 1. Understood? Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Can M is equal to 2? How 2? 2 is not possible. How 2? When you add these two number, when you add two digits, can you get 20? Not possible. Okay. When M is equal to 1 and this is equal to 1, now tell me what is the value of S and O? And
yes is 9.
S must be 9 and this O must be what? 0. Okay. So this O is what?
0.
Now what next?
E
Then E plus 0 is equal to N. Therefore, tell me which number is greater? N is greater or E is greater?
and
N is greater or E is greater?
E.
This is 0. If I add these two numbers, I'll get this number. No carryover. No carryover because this is 9, 9 plus 1, 0, 1. That's all. So no carryover.
No.
Therefore,
They both must be equal.
N must be 1 more than E. Correct?
Sir, N must be greater, sir.
N must be how much greater? 1 more than E. Correct?
One. Yes, sir.
Okay. And this E and this E are the same. Think over it. Try at home and tell me the answers. Why E is equal to 5 means also you can explain. If E is equal to 5, someone say E is equal to 5. If E is equal to 5, then what is the value of N?
5.
Huh?
6.
N is equal to 6. Carry over. Therefore, this 5,
Cannot
here
be there.
5 means 15. So 15 means N plus O is equal to 15. So this is equal to 5. Okay, this way. You think over it and answer this question. Send plus more is equal to money. I want a 4-digit number plus 4-digit number is equal to 5-digit number. Each one is a different digit. Okay, so your message, your answer.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.